How to add your exact brand colors into your Reels or Instagram stories. Step 1, you're going to record your video just like this. Step 2, you're going to exit Instagram and open the Photos app on your phone. In here, I want you to make a new album and label it brand colors. You only need to add one photo to this album, and that is a picture of your brand colors. Now you're going to go back to Instagram, and I want you to hit the little smiley face icon. Scroll down to the icon right under temperature that shows a preview of your camera roll. Click on that, and it's going to take you back to your Photos app, where you can then select the new album that you just created and add your brand colors photo. Now that we have this overlaid on the video, I'm just gonna make it small and move it to the side and then go to add text just like I normally would on a story or reel. Once you have your text written out, you can click on the little rainbow icon to change the color. You're gonna select the temperature tool and then drag it over to your brand color. You can repeat this process for as many text bubbles as you would like, and when it's good to go, you're just gonna delete that photo off the top and post your video.